All right, this is in Toledo. Looks like that one has just been decommissioned. And it looks like it's a Schindler mod. Haughton. Oh, some big business cards there. Up to 10. Oh, look, it had the side panel there.
Floor 10.
Whoa. This is creepy. Literally just a men's room. Whoa. Look at the old lantern. That's cool. Let me just see if it's unlocked, because I might have to come back. No, it's not. Because I currently need to use a restroom. Well, not right now, but after the video. So I guess I can't use that one. They got the old cabs. That's cool. Lots of stuff. These are, looks like all the tenants advertising their stuff. I like that. That's cool. Monkey gnome. Anyway, that will be all.